Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to the House of Jane. If this is the first time at my channel, welcome. I am just an average, down-to-earth woman that lives in Virginia. I am not a beauty guru channel, but I do product reviews and unboxings on my channel. So today I have the March coveted Glossybox for 2021, and I'm going to open it for the first time for everybody, including myself. Before I do that, hit that like button and subscribe. I love to have new subscribers, and I am such a small channel that I still, and I will continue to answer all your comments below. It really makes my day. Okay, Glossybox is a monthly skincare and beauty subscription that's very affordable. If you've never tried it, I do have a code down below where you can get 16 bucks for your first box. If you don't like it, you can cancel your subscription and you'll have nice products. So I will give the details down below. I make absolutely $0 off of that code. So let's open it. Glossybox comes every month in a mailer just like this to your abode. And there is a little thing here. Let's open the tab. And then the box is their pink box. Now this is just a beautiful pink box. Many times a year they do customize it. The one in December was absolutely gorgeous. They're sturdy boxes. Last month's box was a cassette tape. They're keepers. You can use them to store anything. I use them to store makeup, and I use them to store journaling supplies and art supplies because I like to get crafty. So, kick off the cover. All right, I'm a little bit spastic today. And it looks just like this. It's always tied with this beautiful ribbon, which I save because I'm a crafter and a sewer. And it comes with a card, and it shows you everything you receive in the box, plus the dollar value, and I will go over the dollar value for you. And then there's just the tissue paper and a little sticker here. Let's undo the sticker. Just want to make sure I'm recording. Nothing like doing a video and not recording, right? And here we go. These are the contents. Woo! All right, the first thing on top is a 24 karat gold. Isn't that like Bruno Marsy? It's an eye patch, a one-time eye patch. I love them. I love them. I put them on, I watch TV, do stuff like that. And this single treatment eye patch is worth $6. And it is by Soon Skincare, at Soon Skincare. So, it says it's gonna make you feel like a queen. Woo! I like to feel like a queen. So that's the first item. Oh, and by the way, last month's Glossybox had this beautiful eyeshadow by Bella Pierre. I love it. I'm wearing it. It blends. It's a shimmer. People say, oh, you're over 50, you shouldn't wear shimmers. I'll wear shimmers as much as I want. I love it. So this was in last month's box, Bella Pierre. All right, I digress. Let's go to the other contents. I'm gonna grab the first thing off of it. Oh, and it's cold. It's cold. Geranium and Petitgrain Hand Balm by ESPA. That's weird. It's, that's so weird. It's not in my book, but I got it. So I hope you got it. Maybe they, put it in after this went to the printers. So I can't give you the price, but I can tell you it's full size. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. And, let's see, is it sealed? Oh no, that's it. And it's coming out like racehorses. All right, I'm gonna put this back on. You know when you take out like things and the pressure, it must be pressurized because it's already coming out pretty quickly. but it's a hand balm. Let's try it out. Get the backs of my hands first. Truthfully, it's a very, very mild scent. It's not overpowering. I like it. Yes, ma'am. Not greasy either. Alrighty, but that's so weird. It's not in the book, so I can't tell you anything about it other than thank you, Glossybox. I like it. Alrighty, what else we got? We got an Ultra Repair Cream. It is 1 ounce. It's a deluxe mini by First Beauty, and it's worth $5. And again, this is another, it's intense hydration for dry, parched skin. So, wow, okay. Now my hands are so greasy I can't open it. Hang out. The advantages of being in one's bathroom is you can grab some toilet paper to open the product. I can't open it. This is really embarrassing, but all right, there we go. Told you, I'm just an everyday woman having problems. I don't know what it smells like, but I like it. Did I tell you it's like a lot of times I'm very easy to please, but yeah, nice. And that deluxe mini, I think I said it already, $5. Okay, here is another mini. It's 0.33 fluid ounces by I'm sorry, I don't remember my high school French. Cordialis of Paris. It's a serum. Oh, I need a serum. I need some more serum. I'm running out of serum. This deluxe mini is worth $26. Yes, ma'am. Do some Spanish. 26 dólares. Yes, it is a Bio Perfect Radiance Serum. It has 60 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance. Wow, they have some scientists that work some lab somewhere to say 62 times more. But all right, I am willing to try. You use morning and evening after cleansing and before moisturizing. Serum's great. I use it every day on my skin. Yes, this is my skin, by the way, with no fillers, no Botox, no nothing. This is over 50 skin. Okay, this is something I just grabbed. I'm not gonna freak out because mistakes happen. The cap is not on it, so there. The cap's on it now. It is Clean It Zero. It's a tri-peel acid, obviously a sample size. I don't smell anything. You know, stuff happens. I don't know. I'm not freaking out that the cap wasn't on. It looks fine. It is also a deluxe mini worth $3. Very reasonable price. And it is a cleansing balm, pore clarifying. And it helps remove dead skin cells, which a good washcloth can do just as well. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there's one product left. And it is a lip gloss. I love lip gloss. It's by KAB, K-A-B. It's full size, cruelty free. There we go. Let's see what this cost. Sugar and spice gloss, $18. Okay, that's reasonable. And I take it out the package. Oh, cool. It's an earthy, peachy tone. And very nice. I love full-size products. I don't want to look spastic. I'm wearing so much lip product already. Can you see that? It's a nice peach color. Like it, like it, like it. I think this is my favorite product. So, quick recap. The full-size lip gloss, neutral color, will look beautiful on anybody. And it's by KAB. We got the Deluxe Mini by First Aid Beauty. This is the hydration moisturizer cream. We got a cleanser by Zero. A serum by that French company I can't pronounce very well, but there you go. And this surprising ESPA hand cream, which I don't have any information. And, oh yeah, the eye patch. So we got 6 products. I love, love, love. I love the secret surprise, even though it made my hands a little greasy and I got a little like awkward on camera. But tell me what you think of Glossybox. And give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment. I'd love to know where you're from. Where are you watching me from on this kind of dreary Sunday in Virginia? Let me know how you're doing. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.